Remove all doors and drawers and place them on a soft surface to avoid damage. Tip base units onto their backs and fold the legs and unscrew them to 5 mm more than the required plinth height. Clamp them together to ensure they're level on the front and top. Do this away from the wall so you can walk around the cabinets to screw them together. Stand the units up and push them against the wall. Since everything is screwed together, the levelling process should be easier. Once all units are up against the wall, mark the bracket position, move the cabinets out of the way and screw the brackets into place. Push the units back against the wall and check that the units are level to the floor, wall and neighbouring units. Once everything is level, screw the units to the wall and their neighbouring units using the brackets provided. For the end panel, measure the height and depth required before cutting to size. Repeat this process for your island and other runs of base units. Fit the wall plugs, screw on the brackets, push the units against the wall and ensure everything is level before screwing into place. On a true handleless kitchen, connectors are provided to hold the aluminium rail in place. Fit the connectors to the inside using the pre-drilled holes and cut the aluminium rail to the required length before inserting the end caps. Lay the rail in place and push the other half of the connector into place to secure the rail. Repeat for the remaining units. Do the same for the centre C-shaped rail on any drawer units. Finally, secure the plinth into position using the provided connectors. Prept cabinets have a unique full top panel. This adds strength and can serve as a temporary work surface while you're waiting for worktops to be fitted.